Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them Well. Alright guys, so we're here in Spanish Town. Here to see Miss Gracie. Here to see Miss Gracie and the Blind Brothers. We're gonna do a donation for them.
Yeah,
Hello, Nikita.
No, take off. No, never take off my glass. That's right, no, I can't. It's a brilliant. No, not mine, man.
Manners.
I personally deal with that shopper. Yeah, not mine.
Thing go on.
Yeah, man, they are going easy enough for that.
Sure.
Yeah, man, never just buy food I want to go and visit. You know, you got man on.
She know one.
That she said?
Yeah, she know one.
A piece of meat she want, she don't want the rice.
Grandma,
That she want. She's
grandma full up.
She afraid of rice.
Yeah, she have to stay far from rice. She have to.
Me give her meat and she know one.
She don't want the meat.
Yeah, meat and she... Oh, and that's say I'm back on the bus for that. That's say no one on fire. Stop the ears again.
Tomorrow I'm going to zoo.
You going to zoo tomorrow? You're going to see animals?
Yes.
Look for the snake? You're going to see the snake?
Yeah.
And the monkey?
Yes.
Oh.
Every kind of animal.
Everyone. Oh, that's nice. The first time going there?
Yes.
Yeah? Wow. She don't know which one.
And my auntie are going to bring me.
Shall I bring you? You're going to see. What them have a zoo? Have the monkey, the snake. Them have lion up there?
Yeah.
Lion? Yeah?
Yeah, they're my cage.
Okay. My general.
The lion. I mean, my countryside in the house. I want it up to say, big hole, you know. Yo, I go and big man, one friend.
In the dead?
Boy, yeah, man, one it upside now, but what you need to get old and dead, you know. Yeah, the one them in a back, they them man with a country. Especially the finger, when they push the finger.
Yeah.
Countryside, they say.
Okay.
Down the side of them there, the next one.
Smells jackfruit.
Different animal up there. There's no lion up there still.
When we go Trinidad, I see some big lion. I never know such a lion big.
We never see a tiger.
Never.
No?
You're going to see one then tomorrow.
Yes.
And the friend for Cheryl, that she can manage because she cough like a wow.
You're coughing?
Yeah.
Are you getting sick?
She not go to school Friday. Nikki, she want to go to me, please.
Yeah, can you pick up this one and left it, you know.
Oh, yeah.
So what's up, leaf, you know?
So what's up, leaf?
Yeah, this one
teeth will look for your nerve.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a TV, man.
You drink it, Miss Gracie?
Yeah, man, all the while I'm drinking really good for nerves, you know.
Yeah.
And the soursop, you see like how me put it now? You see the seed of the soursop? You just spoon you and take my bitters.
Oh, yeah.
They must sell it on the internet like wow with enough money.
Yeah, because soursop leaf
I never know say I get soursop and leaf would have come up on it. Always see it when it's time with it.
Oh. Yeah, well, you know what? It's nature, you know, so it will definitely recover. From it never root out, it will definitely recover.
Oh Lord.
Definitely for sure.
Me they forgive bad. Yeah, them. I give me some trouble. I some carrot and milk and carrot come and say me. You sit down for me. So get one bag and give. Go get one bag and give me. Keep it in leaf.
Yeah, man, get on that.
Get on because if food, where you get the food in that.
What do you say? Soursop leaf?
Yeah, man, have a giant.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Good for
See,
your
man, make
nerves.
a walk, you know.
Yeah.
Go give me. We wash it. One bag here.
Yeah, man, give me thanks. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Right.
You know a good thing, man, to look at the herbs. Your herb in the nation.
So your husband there about today?
Just not too long come from church.
Oh.
Auntie come from church too.
Yeah, auntie.
She come late.
She come late. So
But 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock she come.
So you and her go zoo tomorrow?
Charlie doesn't go church. I bless you, come see. She never see you come see her. She don't go to church with her auntie.
So you're excited to go zoo? Yeah, you're gonna see those animals. Right? Excited.
Oh my God.
Them day I pass you come here for a donation for you, you know?
Okay. Me hear you call you, me know what about my, you know, if I know me I pray to God. Say God do. Me can get a wheelchair. Me get it.
Papi,
So what you tell me about it, but you not tell me.
but if anything change, Gracie, you don't know.
What you come with a sit on the program?
Either you just see me bring it come.
Actually.
So you have to just
I for just wait.
patient.
Just wait and
Yeah.
wait.
But you don't see it, you know, say not me.
But me I tell you, say I pray, I tell God, say, to make you work out, when me get through the car, me I tell him to go up on the road and go clinic. You have clean. If you don't have the money, we pay. In all that 2,000, like, take me each time.
Hold on. Though.
So no, you can count on drop food and get up a CRANBERRY. We love drop food, but you know, when I go back up there, you get one for me. Hey God, help me Jesus.
Alright, yes, so I have 2 donations here for you. Yeah, we have $10,000 from Iron Mike.
And Mike.
Yeah, from New York here.
Iron Mike,
Yeah.
give thanks. May God bless you and store basket. May never run dry, my brother. Provide double. More than what you're saying, I'm blessing. That you can have to give others. And give me more if you are willing to give. I'm grateful of what you do for help me. I'm so happy to get it this evening, and thanks to you, Kino, because without you this could not. Could not without you.
Alright, so that is Iron Mike from the USA.
Yeah, thanks, Iron Mike.
I have another one here from Unknown. Oh, this is Unknown from where was this again? From the US. Unknown from the US.
Unknown from the US.
Yeah. This is
God,
$30,000.
God bless you. $30,000 from Unknown. God bless you. I can't go look about my glasses. God bless you. May your store basket never empty nor run dry. God bless you and your family and bless your store basket. And the business I do, blessing, not blessing. And I constantly pray for you know, all the donor them. Who know how to give? We used to give and not have to give. I give thanks and I'm grateful. And Kino, without you this couldn't have been happening because you never take your time out and let your business of your life and come to help poor people. You come tell you say you come here already. You come here for a purpose. And you have to fulfill your purpose before God is ready for you. We all have to fulfill our purpose. You understand?
Yeah,
We
yeah.
have to be grateful and thankful. No matter how small it may be, we have to just give thanks for whatever the Lord provides. We have to be grateful because some of us, we aren't grateful. We want the blessing, but we don't want the blesser. And we have to admit, say they have to take the blesser. And when you take the blesser, you get all of the blessing. This morning, or 25 minutes ago, I was there and they crying to the Lord, and I said, God, you see me want what is somebody? We can put one right tight and do the coming time and to go to the toilet. And I asked her to provide one for me. I'm frustrated and tired of the lifestyle. Sometimes I just feel like giving up. But when I look on the other hand again, I say about God not give up on me. Why should I give up? You know, you're the one place you can't move and get through. It's really hard, it's hard. Your husband, everything laid on pan. And look at the teacher. May God bless her because sometimes I mess up myself and she have time. And it's really nice. They have children. And they know that they feel. Them is not there for you. Nobody no remember really say me. My mother, but see God send the blessing. I'm grateful for whatever. Okay. It's really hard. You know, I have children and yeah, one of them, not that cause me angry, me just frustrated and tired. Clear a father to stop angry me. Come pick up my phone and come here. We can't hear no come and stop cause. It is really hard, you have children and you don't grow them like that and you suffer. You go through some stuff, it really make them survive, and at the end of the day, this is the time so you get it. It's not really pretty. But we just hold God as He promised never to leave me nor forsake me. And He promised to be there with me to the end. Because if we go through, we go frustrate Him, forsake all, frustrate husband, frustrate pitney, and put everything back and put God first, because if you put anything before God, in our living. And God come to first, and I have to expect that I go through it. But really, without God, we help me bear the burden. It's not nice. Not really nice, you know. It's hard when you go doctor. You have it from your children. Every burden left on from your husband. And they might try, and at the end of the day, my son will stop angry like you know, him around me. And at the end of the day, if he turn him back, who will look after me, who will attend to me, and all the while I know get to come.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And he have feelings. You understand?
Yeah, sure.
And when he behave them kind of way and treat me them kind of way, he can't feel good. And when I tell me to take a second, I'll come and I go here and say, me tell you, say, Nick, you know, say my husband got left me because of my son. He can't take his problem and his sickness and put it on his head when he don't even blame me. Because he was here and I talk to him. You want to reach him, you want to reach him.
Yeah,
You understand?
Yeah.
Sometimes I want to tell her what's really wrong with her father, but me just because the couscous and the algae, I don't want it. And she don't reach you, because you go tell her, she go ask her father why. Why that and what have you, and I can't say my mother for dead and what have you. But me tell you something. He that have an ear here, let him hear. If you not listening here, the spirit attack, you not listening. You can't go wrong anything, and you have to take him there.
Yeah, true.
And the song said, if I should die, and my soul shall be lost, nobody falls but me. When I was a child, we try. Never, I've said father, I'm blind, he died now. My brother Max. My mother married to him, and he's blind, you know.
Yeah.
And he grew up in a church. I love my father, you know, my biological father, I love him. But you see that blind man there? I love him more than my papa. Because my father never take me up and beard me and put on my clothes and say, come here to God church. And it's because of that man, let me know God. I couldn't read.
Yeah.
And since me give me life to the Lord, me carry it. Sometimes if me write you something, me not spell the word properly, but you can know say that me say. And the Holy Spirit teach me. You understand?
Yeah.
I read the Bible and know that there's a God. And He stay high and He look low. And right now, We all have to just repent. Okay, so if we don't repent, we're going to perish. And we have rough time, I never come. No, that's just a sparkle we are going through right now.
Yes.
But, you know, when you're alone on the journey, sometimes you feel like give up or give in. But when you think back in yourself and know that there's a God. Remember, look on Job. You saw much things Job go through.
Yeah.
And he still stand up, he still not give up to God. I ask God to really give me the plan Job faith, because without him give me the plan faith, I tell him, I don't know how I'm going to make it in life. I don't know how or when. How am I going to make it? But while God in the vessel, he smell at the storm, you know. You see, from him, where this first earthquake come in him? Corona.
Earthquake?
No man, this time. Not this time we're going to the first one.
Beryl?
No, not Beryl.
Before Beryl?
Yeah, one before Beryl.
Ivan?
Ivan? No man, one where this time, last time we gone the man. From that, me not get to go to church. Catch you now. Me not get to go to church. And it, me dey online ban church, but me frustrated and the woman, me tired of the yard now. Me want to come out and go to church, go worship. You worship anyway, but you know, you want to come out and get to go to church. And because me not have nobody to push me to go to church. My husband can't manage the wheelchair to push me in the wheelchair, because the wheelchair something come up. The rubber, and there's something back at the piece of plastic part. I don't know if I'm a waiter or the rough road. I'm sure I can't have the manager to know where she told me over in the road.
Yeah.
You understand? So that's why I say I pray and I ask God, make things work out for them, get the electrical wheelchair with them, so them have it. I mean, God, I tell them I receive it already. I don't get it yet. But the faith I have, I know I go come true. Because if it come already, I never know, so I come without it, they tell me. And I tell her, say, first day, I tell her, say, I know somebody go send it. No, that me tell her. And God work it over me, get it. Some others ask them, where I get you. That me can't come up with the road and go tell somebody what I wrote about Jesus. Because you have to be a witness, you know. You have to witness, you can't shame my God, because when God come, He will go shame you if you know proud of me, and He will shame you. So we all have to repent and seek His face before. Because you have some, you see them a war, you know you're not letting bigger things ahead that will come, bigger things. You have a famine and all sort of something. So God has provided that I can't have the good food, provide for that I can't have it in pizza, my little granddaughter. Sorry, you're stubborn and all this, but go up your laptop for sure.
Alright, so count the money. So 30,000 from Unknown and 10 from Mike.
2,
Iron Mike.
3,
5,
1,
10, 15,
2,
20, 25, 30.
What you don't know me account about? Alright, hold on.
5,000 each.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
That is from Unknown.
Yes, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
That's from Mike. It's 40,000.
Unknown and Mike, God bless you. May your store basket may never run dry. May your blessing bless you. You're inside out, in all of your family. Even your neighbor, if you come to a test, bless them. You know?
Yeah.
I'm so grateful and thankful. And as we say, Unknown, if you don't give your life to the Lord, give it to Him right now.
And Mike.
And Mike, if you don't give your life to the Lord, give it to Him now. Because we don't know the minute, nor the hour, we not put in your appearance. You understand? And God is so good to us. He bless us. And we can only want the blessing and I want the blesser. We have to accept the blesser. Yeah, I'm grateful.
Alright, then I will give thanks.
So
alright, so we thank Unknown. I will thank Mike as well for blessing Miss Gracie. You know, we thank her so much, you know, for reaching out and blessing her. You know, we give thanks. Alright, so we're gonna head to the Blind Brothers them because we also have a donation for them, and then we're gonna head back to our zone, you know.
Yeah, I remember we say no worship.
Yeah, man.
You know, give no life to the Lord before I told you to the car, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know, mind the job because when you know finish charging me on the tell you be carry. They give me get it, say me get it.
You can show with a laptop from Winstone, you know. You like your laptop?
Yes, uncle.
Yes, uncle.
Thank Winstone again.
Thank you, Winston.
So Winstone got her laptop. You know, she can actually, you never know, she's gonna probably be the next computer genius. You know.
It's not working.
You're not finished charge, go plug it in and give it a charge. No, no, why you doing it? Go plug it in.
Alright, yo, Papi, pick up yourself in here,
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Take care of the puppy.
Yeah, man.
Alright, Miss Gracie.
Alright.
Puppy dad.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And where else? My friend made her separate.
Oh, Jackson?
You not come?
No, not come.
Yell him up for me, yell him up for me.
Yeah.
You go with it. Oh, 20 grand?
Yeah.
Bless you. Yeah, man, I remember. He keep us the king of God and all his righteousness. And everything to you, alright? No, bless you.
Every time. Love again.
Alright, Miss Gracie.
Alright.
Alright, bless. Alright guys, so we give thanks. So now we're gonna head to the Blind Brothers. You know, we give them also a donation what we get from Iron Mike. Also, you know. Yeah man, so we got one also from Iron Mike for the Blind Brothers. So I know they're gonna be there, you know, I know Alan is gonna be there because he's the one that look after them, which is his dad is Charles and his uncle is Patrick. I hope them not cussing today, you know, like the other day. You know, because you know, probably that's their little joy, you know, them banter each other. That's what them always do, especially Patrick. You know, always a banter each other.
Boss, judge, you know.
Judge the case, you know. Yeah. Judge, make sure judge the case. Alright, go on. Like Judge gone in hours now.
Yeah, man.
One judge.
Yeah, this is all there.
Go on.
Turn the radio.
Alright.
The radio.
Yeah, man. General, come check your man, you see? The general, come check your man.
Yo, Judge. Well, go on.
You can't stay with them, man. They might talk to us in place.
Yeah. You think good? You gotta relax already?
No.
I bet you gone.
No, man.
Man, listen radio. Oh, you listen radio?
Yeah.
Okay. Everything good otherwise?
Yeah.
Oh, you get your pork? You get the pork?
Actually, if you get your pork to eat.
You get the pork? I mean. Yes, how cook it? Orlando? It tastes good. It tastes good? Tuesday.
Yeah.
Oh, you get Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
No, I never get Phil fight Sunday. So I tell us I choose and we cook it for
Oh,
you.
Tuesday cook it for him.
Yeah.
Where you say you can cook it good?
Yeah.
Gummy?
Yeah. Go.
Pure gum. Yeah, man. So, how your brother Charles? You living alright no more in the house? Eh? Oh. I got this. And you say Patrick named Judge, you know. And you know say every case I have to go through the judge.
You talk you most.
Yeah.
Every year,
Mm-hmm.
every year. No.
I'm saying, man.
Oh, I must say, Charles I asked you a pineapple. No soda I must ask her.
May I say Charles? Yeah, we say you want a pineapple.
Yeah.
Pepsi.
You don't really fit drink Pepsi, you know?
Yeah, you're not supposed to drink them thing that
Not enough as don't you know?
Patrick, George said not to drink any Pepsi. He said no Pepsi. Yeah?
No, I'm not saying can't have drink.
That-
My
that-
good
that-
my advice.
My
My advice.
But
advice.
God tell you. That can't help.
Him say not good for you, man. You're not supposed to drink it. Yeah, Charles? He might look out for you. Him nah listen to George.
That one ain't no good for you, Charles. You gotta get a pineapple.
Yeah, you have to get some lemonade. Get some lime.
Yeah, pressure.
Pressure.
And the trouble
Ginger,
pressure good
yeah.
well. So then cut him off for citrus. So most of the time I remind him, so remember say doctor did stop him from citrus based on health condition.
Okay,
You
okay.
want drink dinner here?
Ginger beer?
Yeah,
But sometimes you want to behave like in young senior, you
Oh,
know?
Charles, though.
Yeah man, I just saying behave.
And him not young anymore
Show
now.
some water. Night and you.
What him say?
So if you throw some water and keep.
My drinks.
Oh, choosing what? Dilute
Oh, dilute it.
it.
You understand what I say?
Okay, oh, more dilute ginger beer and give him.
Yeah.
How you mean, George?
Yeah, not drink.
So, George, what kind of. What you drink, George?
Huh?
What you drink?
Me?
Yeah.
No, oh, Ranga.
What him say?
Send out here.
You drink ginger beer too?
Eh,
Or you throw water night?
No. Yeah.
Yeah,
Sometimes, yeah.
sometime.
Yeah.
But sometimes it's too harsh though.
Yeah.
The man can't drink off one bottle.
No, man,
He can't drink.
I share it with Patrick. With Charles, I mean. Yeah. Hey, Charles. You want ginger beer?
Yeah, man.
With water night?
No, I don't want that.
No, man, you have to dilute it, man.
Yeah, they're too strong for you.
Don't judge, then tell him.
No,
Eh?
nonsense.
In that sense.
When time no really. Time no really.
It's nonsense. Hey, the rampant Judge, you know. Judge! Now Patrick can come back. Even Patrick. See a person. Look for Charles and come back.
Yeah.
Yeah? 1 second.
Respect.
Yeah.
Respect.
Respect. Me hear what Charles over here say. From one brother to the nether.
Alright, Charles.
Charles!
Oh,
What go on? What you say?
I'm have to give thanks. I'm going to say something strong like you now.
You trying like me, you're strong man.
But we have to just talk to sometimes.
Yeah, yes.
82. Yeah, yes, too, man.
You're strong man. And you just want to show them say you're strong, but we know you're
The
strong.
week, you know, me, I 82 now, so my week.
Father 82.
You're 82 now?
Yeah, man, so my week.
Couple of weeks.
Yeah. So many are not straight.
Eh? Oh.
You see, if you got soup and give it up, probably eat some.
Alright.
Oh.
I better give thanks to it.
Yeah. So, I wish time birthday?
August 7.
Hours.
Yeah,
Yeah, August.
Yeah.
Yeah, August like me too.
Yeah, hours like me.
Yeah. Don't much August. You remember?
16 hours.
16 August.
Yeah.
Okay. And George, I which month? George, I which month?
I'm gonna have to look on the ID. I don't remember what time.
George!
I remember what time. You remember which month you born?
I remember.
You don't remember?
In November.
I don't remember which month you born.
So that means I'm birthday could have gone in and then.
I'm gonna have to check in ID. ID, may look on I know.
Oh.
Bring down food out. Seriously?
So I'm at the 16th of August.
Yeah.
You're sure, right?
Seriously?
Supposed to. I mean, I have the ID still.
Supposed to.
Seriously?
So that means a long time I give them a little birthday.
Boy, them I get gift from me almost 7 days now, because I help them, so
Yeah.
that time I give for the
You
time.
know?
Yeah?
Yes, sir. When in there, I eat it.
What you say?
At 20 years of me there, I know it's nothing now. Me know it's nothing fast, you know.
You know-
20 days.
20 days?
Yeah.
You don't eat nothing?
We just got me do.
Yeah, fast.
Yeah, we carry fast food.
Oh.
Alright, tell me what you expect for it then. Because you talk like you don't get nothing at all.
Yeah, where you want to eat?
What you expect?
Yeah, rice and peas, eh?
Oh, rice and peas, man.
Yeah, man.
And what?
I could salting.
Good salting?
I got fresh fish.
Fresh fish?
I forgot about it.
Oh, you go eat the fish and the bone when you can't see?
Take that, put that more, that's okay, man.
The judge said, kill man, the fish.
Tell me move on, my friend, I want to eat that. I want to eat that. You're not to know, 1 pound of fish make 5 pounds. You know, say, I eat that. I eat that, you know. You don't know 5 pounds of fish for 5 pounds. Yeah. You know, say, I eat that. Yeah, eat that. If I want to go buy 10 pounds of fish, you don't know 1 pound of fish, I can't come in. You don't eat that.
No, but you have to remember, sir, and
You
every
can't
time
say
you see a number, I go check it and see your number. It's size, the weight different.
Judge know what? Judge know 10 pounds of fish, man. What you say, man?
You don't know him, man.
You don't know, man. If you say him go buy 10 pounds, man, bring the 10 pounds come, man. What you say, man?
Every day right now, I tell you that, you tell you that, you tell you not so old.
But you're not 82 yet, though, still. That's what I'm saying, I'm so old. Yeah?
Eh?
You're in your 70s, I'm saying, you're 72.
So I'm 82.
You're younger than.
You hold on for that long time.
Yes, sir, Judge.
You can't tell me nothing. I'm 82.
That thing hold on for.
Judge saying I reached that yet.
You can't tell me, I don't know him, man.
I know what? What Judge say? What you say, Judge?
I went there.
What you say?
No, say every day.
Oh, every day?
I'm 82.
Oh, every day I'm 82.
Yeah. So that's the number and keep on hold on.
Yeah. So that means when August comes, you're going to be 83, right?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So you like to be older or you want to be younger?
Well, I mean, like to be younger, but you can't get to that old.
Yeah, man. So that means if you like to be younger, that means you're younger than right now, you're 72.
You can't get younger.
But you're younger right now than 82 though.
Sometimes when you see a man pass and tell me say about 80 yards or 90 yards. Now why not he live so long and can't walk like me?
So that means that you will live long then?
So I say I live long from most 7 fall long.
Yeah. But you live long still? You still have a long way for go same way?
We jump out of the worst time, you know.
Yeah?
Jump out of the worst time.
You jump over a tree?
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's when you're younger?
You're younger.
Oh, yeah. You used to climb Akey tree?
Coconut tree.
Coconut tree, oh.
Coconut tree.
Pick your little jelly them, right?
Yeah. A big habit.
Bring a donation food still, you know?
Yeah.
So Orlando can cook rice and peas. But you can't get the fish.
Yeah.
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 Because the fish have the bone and you can't eat the bone.
Them don't take out the bone and that, man.
Oh, you gotta take it out?
Them not, I don't make can't feed them.
Some of them have a straight bone. I know where my talk, man.
Fish fillet.
Or banga mirror.
Oh.
But when they have a big size,
Yeah.
you just take out the bone and give me flesh pop. I know where my talk.
So I like the one. I said go fish. A goldfish and let me go buy.
Yeah.
Goldfish. Probably hungry there are 80 here one no. 180 yard.
No man. Alright, you're 80 yard. We're not gonna say anything right now, you're 82, right? You say? I will keep. So that means your birthday come August, you're 83. You want one cake?
Still gonna be 82. A cake?
Yeah.
You got one soda.
And soda?
No, the soda.
For your birthday you want soda, you don't want a cake?
Cake up now.
Oh.
You can't cake with soda.
And soda too?
Yeah.
You like soda?
Yeah, man.
Man like him soda, Orlando.
Like when you used to the response for yourself.
A pure soda?
Most idea them, I come pouch one day pass and him not buy one.
Jaja.
Yeah, you like him back a soda for a long time.
Oh, so addicted to him. So here Orlando, me have $10,000 a year.
Yeah.
You know, for the blind brothers from Iron Mike.
Iron Mike.
Yeah, from Queens, New York.
Okay. So this how much I said?
10.
10,000 I can give a 9.
Oh, 2.
Mhm.
Yeah. So 2, 4, 6. Yeah, 9. Yeah, 10. So I
Iron
received
Mike.
10,000 for the Blind Brothers from Iron Mike.
Yeah.
Thank you, many respect. Yeah, I receive it.
Alright.
Yeah.
So some donation drop off there. So you can get some rice and peas then. Yeah, Charles?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and rice and peas and mackerel.
Mackerel.
You know the mackerel?
No.
Rice and peas and mackerel bud, you know? You like mackerel?
No like it.
Oh.
I like it.
You want
I
it?
need that brother, they don't like it.
Oh, they want a fresh thing.
Yeah.
Eh?
I probably
Yeah. Yeah, Charles. Patrick said, aye. Yeah. Alright then, yeah, Charles.
I made sardine too.
Eh?
Made sardine.
8 sardine.
Yeah.
Okay, so I mean sardine. Then. Alright, that's good then, that's good.
Give thanks.
Alright then, take care, yeah?
Yeah, man, give thanks to you.
And you must live good now, no more quarrel, yeah?
I'm not crying, man.
You're not crying.
I'm going to tell you a lie.
You might tell a lie?
And man, I say you are tell lie.
You say you are tell a lie.
If you ask about 52 and 52, I was telling that. You can't tell them. They know you might tell lie. They don't want to say I tell lie. 52 and 52, you don't know about money. You don't lie that.
Judge not tell a lie, but you just attack, man.
Idiot.
You might not idiot, man, your brother that.
52 and 52, I want money that.
52 some picture.
52 and 52, I want money that. You don't see how idiot.
What you say, Judge? That's all him can say. Oh, him say that's all he can do.
George! $150 and $250, I want money that.
They give a bigger number now.
You say you're pussy clock, idiot.
Give a bigger number.
52 and 52, I want money that. You say you're pussy clock, idiot. Why you can't spell your name a blood clot? Fire idiot.
Alright, yeah.
Calm down, man. Who older?
Charles.
Oh, a younger brother. Calm down with a younger brother, man. You might try to tell the right thing. You're for your brother, so. Eh?
I'm an idiot.
Man, I idiot, man. The pay the man here, Judge.
We don't know my judge, you pay the mind. 52 hours.
So you remember 52 and 52 at how much?
Yeah, man.
At how much?
Much I get?
52 and 52, no. 54.
You see, you don't remember what you are telling him.
4 in 8 about that. First number,
Oh, clubs.
Get his drinks, man.
Eh?
Get his drinks.
The drinks?
Yeah.
Orlando.
Yeah, man. Orlando.
As them
buy the drinks.
I buy the drinks. But I forgot dilute it. You're not supposed to drink them things. There's too much sugar as well, though. I forgot dilute.
Say go.
Mm-hmm.
No, man.
Yeah, man. Too much sugar in it. So look more, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright then.
Look more, your balls, yeah.
No, not look more.
You just say look more as Jamaican.
Yeah, I mean
you
like
know, next time.
Yeah, like later, my God. See you next time.
Some go see your family there.
No man, I'm Jamaica, my there, man.
Yeah, them family.
Alright then.
Alright.
Hey, the man I give Judge numbers and I say
Oh, yeah.
Judge.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, take it. Yeah man, I give Ireland a donation. Yes?
Yeah.
Say man, cook something. I'm gonna buy a juice then.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Say you want the juice?
No.
No?
I'm gonna buy it tomorrow.
You want it now?
Tomorrow.
Oh, can I buy it tomorrow?
Yeah.
Alright.
you want it?
Tomorrow.
Him said tomorrow.
Alright.
You want it tomorrow?
Yeah.
Or you don't want it today? You want it?
In Ghana already now, so you not really forced to eat Friday.
Oh, so you got in your bed already then?
Yeah.
So tomorrow I can get up early.
Yeah.
Hey, the man sleep early still not daylight, the man sleep even though.
Once in your cash back there.
Ghana and then.
5 o'clock.
Hmm.
can't turn out no longer, just keep happy.
Alright then, so good night then, like when you go in your bed, yeah?
Yeah, take care.
Alright then, you too.
Alright.
Alright, take it easy.
Take care now.
Yeah man, me go take care man, you too. Alright. Cause the truth maybe them trim can't see.
Yeah.
So the matter say darkness anyway.
Yeah, sometimes I mix up with day with night.
Yeah, cause trim can't see always as a darkness. So them man got in bed anytime because them always as a darkness. So them time and them man got in bed when the sun a kick. Them man go and sleep and wake up. What time you wake up?
Sometimes I wake up but it not come out till probably 2-9 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, but in wake up from 6 o'clock hours until I said, come turn on the radio, I saw him behave. Because
Okay.
I turn off it when I feel like he soon sleep or I'm asleep, I turn off the radio.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man say, come turn on my radio.
Yeah.
Alright then, Orlando.
Yeah, my respect, you know?
Yeah man, big up yourself.
So next time.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright guys, so you know the thing, Iron Mike, big up yourself, Iron Mike. Once more again, we thank you for the blessings for the brothers then, you know, and also for Gracie. So we give thanks, Iron Mike. So you know the thing, so we're gonna head back in our side now. You know the thing, nothing but love and love alone. That's a love dream team, one team. I know it's the only real team. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So guys, I'm downtown. All Joshua, but Joshua is locked up. Joshua, where you at? Guys, Joshua's not here today. He's not here today at all. Joshua is not here, so I came to get those 2 American cane juice. So I guess Joshua is not here today. He's literally not here. And I also brought my bottle. I brought my bottle to get this, get some jello water and this for me for the day as well too. So Joshua is not. Joshua, what's going on? You know, I am back, you're not here. I was here the other day. Well, hey, Jamaica, they're not saying back anymore, you know, they say black. Hey, Jamaica have a way of creating their words. You know, Jamaica, you say you're back. No, they're saying black. You know, Joshua, you're not black. Hey, Jamaicans, I'm telling you, why would you use black for back? Them saying they ain't going back, they're going black. Which is it? Yo, I want to with Jamaica, they always come and say anything they say, look, down the lane, when we're not supposed to sound down the lane, they change it and say, why? You know? I know you can't even say, yo, I'm back here. You know? No, you have to say you're black here. Like, come on, man. What go on? Hey, Jamaican, there's something that we literally creative. We create everything. We create the way we talk, the way we walk, everything we do. Cook, you name it. You know, so guys, I am black. I am black at Joshua place. Joshua is not here. Yeah, so listen to me using black. Yeah, you know what? Let me leave it alone, you know. What don't concern you, leave it alone. So I guess I'm here and Joshua is not there. Right, so that's what I am back. I am black. Yeah, we can't keep up. So you know what? I see this lady around here. Let me get some jello water from her. Hopefully it's good enough. You know, because I am black at Joshua. I am here, Joshua, but Joshua is not here. Hey, Joshua, come on. Hey. Alright then. We're good. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. I never this.
No, man, the big one.
Oh, the dad.
Yeah.
Oh. You sure?
Yeah, man.
How much your full is? Oh. Okay. $1,000. Can I get the sweet one then? Cause a long time I don't get jelly and it tastes like me I drink jelly. No, cause seriously, I buy some jelly and it just tastes like a water me I drink. You know?
Them stretch them. You have to buy jelly from real jelly people.
Like you yourself, right?
Or just throw it back around.
No additive. No additive.
That's why it's my jelly water and have it salad.
Yeah. He's a YouTuber.
So far, the sergeant sent back for one more back to us.
Yeah, man, cause they say, yo, I don't know what I go on. I buy the jelly water them and drink them sometimes. I have to wonder if I water me I drink. So guys, so I'm getting some jelly here. Is these the native ones?
The one we are pushing the long one, the one that will look long.
Oh, them are the native?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know the difference. Yeah, man. So when you drink them one, it tastes like you're drinking jelly, right? Real jelly.
See it on the door there.
Like this. Patricia's natural jelly water, pure. You know, see the contact number there. I gotta tell you for sure. When I drink this, I have to come back for more. Get lower. Yes, man. Tired of drinking jelly water, and I for wonder if I'm drinking pipe water. Seriously, guys, you know.
Oh, your money done?
Yeah? What's left? What's left in that? I taste it. Anything left in that? How much that, Patricia? Alright.
Those are the boyfriend give me 3 minutes.
That not sound bad at all.
You feel like you drink jelly now?
Eh?
You feel like you drink jelly now?
Yeah, it tastes like jelly a while ago. Okay. Yeah. How much of them on there?
8,000 and 10,000.
That not go. I'm not gonna drink a lot in time, man.
What bag? Have you ever seen that fridge?
Oh, my fridge is so big, we can hold that. That's good for our deep freeze now. We can press it in a deep freeze.
Yeah, that's where
Yeah.
freeze just for that.
Just for that. Trust.
Andre?
I'm gonna start come check them, Patricia, right?
Yeah.
This is just a tester. She tell me I'm a drink, and I'm like, no, sir, this really drink like jelly water. You know, so we have to really circle back. So definitely for sure, bro. Alright, then, so thanks, yeah? General. Bless. Yeah. Alright, guys, so yeah, man, this. So So I'm gonna come back with a bigger bottle. I'm gonna come back with a bigger bottle. I said come back, come black. Hey, Jamaica. So I'm gonna come black, which is back here, with a bigger bottle. You know, hey, please Jamaica, not crucify me if I not say black. You know, but I shall return. That sounds much better. I shall return. I shall return with a bigger bottle. Yes. Because you know we have couple jelly people out here. We have a female down there. Hello.
Why you not give me nothing?
Eh?
You have TikTok.
Oh, YouTube. Skin of Life in Jamaica. Are YouTube this one?
No, come on, that. You always have their full ad trying to
Get cover for it. Yes. So guys, we want to come down here, come check out Patricia. You know, come get the natural jelly water. So let me show you my page. Your phone broad, man, I lie. So see the page here. Kino Life in Jamaica. See there? Yeah? So tell them where to come and find you. Tell them where to come and find you.
On Darling Street.
On Darling Street, right?
Yeah.
Across from the new car park.
The new car park.
Alright, guys.
Yeah.
Because she's right next to Joshua as well too. She's right next to Joshua. So Joshua not even here, so maybe if Joshua was here, he would have probably also get the seal. So sometimes that's where it goes, you know. You have to share with your brother and share with your sister. So maybe it's a good thing Joshua wasn't here today, so she could have get that seal, you know, because remember, I got the water. I'm like, no man, this water here tastes good. Man, I have to really come through. Oh. Come in now. Watch out. Take a phone and look at him there. Fit there, yeah. And then fit there the pants. That's the grand of the pin of the pants. Catch it. How the fabulous. Fabulous. Hey, looking for the yeah, that's the guy. Man, we can't do recording today. Guys, he's back in the pinnacle. In the pinnacle points again. Guys, tell me what is he? Yeah, pinnacle, fabulous. Very fabulous. Probably next time. I'm more like that side out. You can't have a foreign. Fabulous. That's any nasa.
per do that tonight.
Pinedo. Ay. Yeah, set them man. Take over here, so. 30 grand.
Yeah.
It half a dip on this side. See there? Have to be on this side now.
Yeah, man. Because she work. Come out of this just know she that work, you know.
Fabulous, and get a dog food as well too. We watch some dog food, toothpaste.
Go back on something toothpaste.
Yeah. Come. What? At this though. Right, it will serve, alloy it, and dry food.
Crumbs up,
No one knows. Wow. Go through Pinedo. Pinedo have the place for lock. You get the toothpaste and the washing soap. But
That's a small amount.
oh, 30. You get this washing bleaching washing soap. Oh, I bought something over on the side.
George.
Everything over there, man. Everything over there. Bleaching soap, bath soap, water for gloves, so. Yes. Alright guys, so we just buy some washing soap, bathing soap, toothpaste, Fabulosa, you know, from so it's Miss G for Cranberry and the family, you know. Yeah, for Cranberry and the family. Well, I thought they're going to make everybody hide. But not see the camera anymore. All them see is tornado. Body of you, can you look here? Where them mother pants? This never made in China at all. I don't know where this made.
Thailand.
Them pants are the make for
good. No, just good boom.
Them pants are the make for the macaroni people them. Alright guys, so Miss G make us purchase this stuff for the family, you know. So heading up here now, getting this donation, and then we are on our way. Alright guys, so stop off at the hardware to get to roller sleeve for Cranberry them for when the work is going to be taking place, guys. The prefect is going to need to roller sleeve as working to paint the ceiling into white. Evening.
Yeah. Just a sponge alone, right?
I want to say dark food too. Yeah, that's a two for now. And I dig down the whole hill. And the whole hill them I dig down, charge. Oh. Ballin'. Miedo. Charlie, I should be tomorrow. We'll come up here, you know. Tomorrow? Yeah. Well, I just say tomorrow.
Yeah, man. One Pineda, man. You hear that? Cool, man. You know Genius love it, you know.
Love for laugh.
Man.
Them say laughing is good.
Yeah, man. Good for the soul, you know.
Nah, like them say laughing is good. Why? But Toti gonna kill me with laughter with a Pineda pants, boy. Alright, Pineda.
Lock it up, man. Lock it up, man. Anytime you see me put it down back again.
Put my walk away, search if you walk here.
What's that? Where do I do?
Throw the bag. Throw the bag, boom. One, two. I'll probably throw a boom, two. The two are still in your boom. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah.
That's why my knees in the touch on my knee.
Yeah, walk on it and I heard it up back. And I sleep on it and I turn so.
Yeah.
And I rub it at night time, man time.
Long me never rub my own.
You know what age cause that, man?
Yeah, man, I age, you know like.
Age. You're taking long to recover, you know?
True, young again.
Yeah. Excuse me. Hey, go on.
Alright, Bonnie, alright. Alright, Bonnie.
Excuse. Room for it, excuse. Go up the road. Up.
Abo, stop it.
It's like rolling in the street. Evening. Morning, good evening.
Watch out. Where Sharon go? Hey, Tara, see you.
Morning.
You know, you're a little girl.
Our cranberry cooking.
Who moved the file?
She's atting up. Where you atting up? Rice and something.
Bully beef.
Rice and bully beef.
I want some cranberry,
When they get laptop. It now work. It's a pretend. Pretend it's working. Look at me, son, look man. It's been a very long while. I want to get them laptop here when not working.
Shad.
Want to pick them up? How will you get them here?
Shad, say them all, so I'm ask you if one them to play like a ties.
Like a toy. It feels real, right? It feels real. Eh?
I said, can not too long move before we go down the road.
Oh, can she go on the road?
Yeah, wash, yeah.
Oh, she go on the road. Chargy, here you go again.
Alright, yeah.
From yeah.
Yeah.
Your package again from yeah. So here you have the circulation. You know, take that already, right?
Yeah, man.
You have the
blood purifier.
Blood purifier, see me in the morning as well too.
This is a capsule then?
No, this now the charcoal. That one you never get that one yet, right? So that one now you gotta put like a teaspoon, put 2 teaspoons in the water bottle them, look a small water bottle them. Yeah. And drink it at daytime. 2 after midday time. But you have to drink as much water to keep flush out your system same way, right? So 2 tablespoons of this now the water, small water bottle then I put one of them. Yeah, I drink that. And then during the day I drink more water. So don't worry when you have poo And you see the pool black because of the charcoal, you see me? It's not got no taste or anything.
Yeah.
See, but that's something that work wonders. And you have the next one in there as well too. It's at the tea for the foot. It's at the wound healing, you know? So the tea where you boil. So 2 tablespoons of the water.
So the one I'm going to get first?
Yeah.
Okay.
The one that you drink as tea in the morning. Yeah. So you put 2 tablespoons of that. You know, the water, boil it and drink. Remember, no sugar added. Oh yeah. I see him again tonight. I can't remember that. I remember about the eye drops.
Yeah. Thanks again, man. Yeah, man. Holy Father, man. Really, because eye drops are now, you know?
Yeah.
Everything.
He said consistency are the key.
Yeah.
Continue. Don't stop.
Yeah, man.
Actually, we have pass.
Yeah. That's what and then done on minute to say, yeah.
Yeah. Consistency. So, quick and fast mission with the pan today.
Yes, sir.
So,
I get tired.
bring dog food from Miss G. Put on them roller sleeves as well to charge you. For tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, coming to work tomorrow. Coming to work.
Tomorrow?
So here we have dog food.
Cranberry atop.
And we have you know what is this?
Some rings.
Yeah, it's really fabulous.
You can see it from before it come.
Yeah. I will now bathing soap, washing soap and toothpaste in the bag.
Put up.
You know, so you have fab soap to wash your clothes. Come here. You know what, go with them. You never said tongues before you walk off. So this is from Miss G. Tara, all this. So come thank Miss G from New Jersey.
New G from New Jersey. Thank you so much. I make a full basket never empty. I may God bless you.
So Miss G from New Jersey.
Thank you, Miss G from New Jersey. I may God bless you.
Yeah. Georgie,
Yeah, Miss G, thanks again, man. Holy for honor and love again, man. Holy for bless Miss G, man. Give thanks again, man. Holy for honor.
Alright then. Don't call and thank Miss G.
Thank you, Miss G. I may God bless you.
Alright then. So guys, Kensha just gone on the road anyway, so we missed her a bit late. So Miss G, thank you so much for the dog food as well too. You know, and we have okay, so we have 2 donations here to help out with the renovation of the house as well too. You know, so I guess this 10,000 from Iron Mike is for the family. They never said towards the house. So this is for the family. Yeah, so Iron Mike, so this is $10,000 to help out with the family from Iron Mike. So it never said towards the renovation. So this is for the family. So here's $10,000 charge. From Iron Mike from New York.
Iron Mike from New York. Holy for thanks again, man. Thanks to the whole family, the whole thing, man. Thanks again, man. Holy for respect and honor again, man.
And that is from Iron Mike from Queens, New York.
Thank you, Iron Mike from Queens, New York. I may God bless you. Thank you.
Iron Mike.
Iron Mike, I may God bless you.
Come Miss Cranberry, Iron Mike. Like I use the iron where you use press.
Iron Mike.
Iron Mike.
Thank you so much and may God bless you. Do have a wonderful day.
Okay. I will give thanks to anything else. So thank you as well to Iron Mike, you know, from Queens, New York. So thank you, and also Miss G as well too from New Jersey for the washing powder, the fabric lotion, the toothpaste, the bath soap, and the dog food. You know, we thank you so much. You know, God bless you. So we got the next donation here from Miss G. I'll give it to you. Bless. Yeah. Alright, so I want to donation from towards house supplies from Miss G. Your bad dog up here. Yeah, from Miss. So this one's from Miss G to help out with the house supplies you know, for the Cranberry family. So we have so charge like a conditioner, you have to do the counting and everything. So this is 44,000, you know, from Miss G towards house supply. So this is 44,000 from Miss G, so count it. Yeah, from Miss G from New Jersey.
Yeah, so Miss G from New Jersey. Only for thanks and love, man. Only for thanks again, man. Only for honor, man. Only for respect, Miss G.
Miss G from New Jersey, thank you so much and may God bless you. Do have a wonderful day. Thank you, Miss G from
New Jersey.
and may God bless you. Do have a
Wonderful day.
Thank you, Miss G from New Jersey. May God bless you. Do have a wonderful day.
Miss G, we thank you so much. Thank you, Miss G, for blessing this family as well too. You know what I'm saying? Baja is free for this week, you know, coming up here to do some work so we can get this thing over and done with so everything can go. So you know everything goes so we can move on to the next from here. You know, so we thank you so much as well too. Winston, big up yourself as usual. You know, Winston did up on the wings. You know, I go on to see the outcome and the finishing of this, you know. Just like all the extended family, I would thank each and everyone that donated to this family. We thank you so much for the blessings. You know, trust me, it's highly favored. I would thank you so much. Nothing but love and love alone, you know. Love alone. So that is that. Tara, what are you cooking in the pot? You know, Tara and cooking. Toko, what you swimming today? No swimming. Yeah, get rash too. She get the rash too as well too.
Yeah, the whole trail them are Cranberry.
Okay, none of one gone now. And I'm see yours gone. It's going. Tara one gone. And eat. The eat. Yeah. Me get the kind of food I'm gonna get that dog out of so. Let me give him some.
Yeah, come and get our bag making.
Yeah, we need to buy that.
Go for that.
Browning.
Should I day na yard?
Siade. Si Buma Bingaro. Team the Bakabu and say, boom dog. Watch it.
Come on then.
They ma come it boom. Watch it. Who will Buma go to? Look for Browning, daddy. Look for Browning. I come up the step.
Oh.
Brownie, come. Go on.
Daddy, give the cat some.
And then
Dog food and a cat food.
you should eat it too.
Put us on that for my food. Put that in. I can't believe you put the cat on.
Stop looking for the cat, Tara.
No, Tara, put him there, the baby puppy.
No,
Daddy.
Oh,
That.
one put the machine for me, move.
Me no know. You have to know.
I go up here to go find that dog, you know. Jackfruit on the tree ready?
I want to sit up the car.
Yeah. No, not ready yet.
Sorry, fear.
Yeah, none not ready.
When they're ready, yes. Mother said when they're ready, she'll see you leave for 5 fear.
Them not ready yet at all.
You don't hear your dog about.
Mm-mm. Talking. Just talking. Look, she's standing up. She's standing up. What's up? What's up? What's up? Cranberry, I want your foot.
It's Jack.
No, she not Jack. I'll burn her.
I'll burn her. Boy, you jam. Go on, you want shit, man? Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Bring the food for you. Yeah. What's up? You pregnant? You pregnant? Did you say you're pregnant again? You're pregnant again? Oh, you're pregnant again. Why you crab me?
When you give him the food, he puts up something right around her.
Yeah? Come. Chris!
Go on, Papa.
Oh, go on. Woohoo! She's pregnant again.
Yeah.
Add more puppies. Dog always remember, you know.
You never forgot you, man.
Can't forget me. Bring some little food for you again.
What's it?
Oh, go on.
We there, man. We got this there, man.
Cool, man. Where I plate then?
Sit round here outside or so.
Come. Bring some, man.
Boy, you're a good man.
Yeah.
Yeah, them time is hungry. And when the other one, the black one and the other one come, them time is sugar.
Nice. Hey Chris, see the rest of
Yeah, man. Yeah, respect, man.
Yeah.
He's a good man.
Yes, man.
How we are play.
Push she burn up her foot too. Look how you burn up your foot with oil. That's how cranberry burn up her foot with oil. Where you put on it?
Okay.
Powder.
You use single Bible.
I'm a powder alone, charger. Stop telling lies, need to put alone, my mother said.
You must use
see there?
and on your hand too.
Look at me.
See there?
The dog don't get bone,
How
but she
comes?
get bone.
What happened?
The dog bounce to someone run, come out.
The dog win? All the neck too?
I'm a back too.
Look tree like tree.
All the neck. And your back? Where there?
What do you say?
Oil, she say. Okay.
What can I hide?
A cook it, a cook. What's your?
Then you get a cook of yourself.
I know me, Chrissy dog bounce the pot.
You see, Ann?
What do you cook?
No, like in the kitchen and the door
So
wide out. I'm fine, I never know. And when my father come in, see him puppy when I run and white nose, come in, come me go inside for something. And look at when I come back and run go in, the aisle burn inside the kitchen and my hear me a scream out and she ask me what. And I say, the aisle burn me.
And your back as well too? Damn, cranberry. There. And this one. You only neck back. So how the aisle flash up so much?
Me not know. Cause one big bumpy there on this. Cause my mother have to buy me slippers cause I can't wear the shoes them say.
So the aisle burner in her back, pan her hand and pan her foot. It puzzle me how the aisle splash up so much places.
My God.
Sure.
Can't believe that. That was kind of aisle, cooking aisle.
So how it reach on your back? Around your so I don't understand that.
I'll Jay you see the big bump on it.
Good thing no going in your face.
Cause when I show my mother one big bump in the pan, at least the other day she drank the whole of
Somebody
it.
can cook and burn you around us and burn on this and burn on this. No sir. That's sound.
February. So you know when the dog come in the kitchen, which one of the dog?
White nose and little puppy. Cause the puppy get one little bun too.
So white nose lick it? So you never see him in there?
Me never see. You see when me a run go in Kina, and them time them see dog a shoe back out. As I say, you see when my mother beg me church cool, I look man she beg do it throw it. Cause that's how I go where after the food, I look man do it.
Right. That's weird. I'll now back the eyes splash up too.
Yeah, let's look after them doing.
Yeah.
How are you?
I never eat this in your face, no?
No.
I never eat in your face.
How are they when she see
neck.
it? She tell me for a while, me know.
Flash up and reach up all and place.
And what they only see pam put on the things I know is Kaiti sell and this. So my mother used to say, I use one of my, like the nigga my father have, me use it and jar the water. Cause if me never jar the water, out it is 12 more and I can't sleep, me sleep. And it's a pain, so my mother wake me up and tell me to jar the water and done.
Jaja, be careful, man. You finish?
I know I'm not finished. Look at tick left back and I say, yeah, mama.
Finish now, right?
I said I got some puppy and somebody take them away.
The puppy them should have gone?
Yeah, man. One day me went away and when I come back, I don't see puppy them.
Gone.
What do you mean now? Where you go tell my mother?
No, sir. Chris?
Yeah.
Big up. We keep in contact, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Spider?
Take care of yourself, man.
Yeah, man. Cool, man.
You there? Mother gone.
Yes, I.
Hello, Kina?
Yeah, man. Do the right thing, you know?
And Natalie, where you say she gone?
Some clothes.
Them get that so much. I don't know why they don't wear them. The amount what we give them. Where them there?
And the baby want clothes.
Where your clothes them, they want to get the amount of
In
clothes.
my job, man, them there.
You're supposed to wear them. You get tenant?
You want some now?
Oh, you're not a tenant now? Oh. Over there, have tenant?
One man up there.
Oh. So I just want tenant for the 2 plus?
Yeah, man.
3. See that? 1, 2, 3.
3. Oh, two space?
Yeah.
How much a month? So we can make them know.
When you come with that, man, when time get a call, you get a meet talk.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Alright then, cool.
Oh, my dog.
Tenant.
You know, Kina? She gone for 2 weeks to come back.
Your mother gone for 2 weeks? Where she gone?
She gone with her sister. I must Monday, she said tomorrow she'll come back or the other day. Because she said she have to buy some groceries for me. And see.
Spider!
You know, Tina?
Alright guys, I don't understand how cranberry just burn up for yourself, so. Spider! Later, okay? See you later. Okay? See you later. There? Take care of yourself. Till I see you again, okay? Right? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later, Spider. Her name is Spider. She's pregnant again. Mm-hmm. Eh?
Left two.
Cranberry, so when you're cooking, you have to be careful, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm gonna understand how you burn up yourself so much places. Her neck, her back, her chest, her hand, her foot. Just a good thing is here, a good thing never going in your face.
No, I run. You know some man who was cleaner? I went to hear something scream out. She said, Nana, when you go outside and look at what that. I never come out, I'm dead.
You know what you can use?
That you have to
Sink Bible.
She has to buy me a jip, the little party night.
Rub the whole Sink Bible upon it.
Yeah.
Look. No, man.
Kaiti a bleed already on this.
Yeah, take a bleed.
Kaiti dig out and this in the something my mother trained like the single Bible she make Chris. She cut she split inside of it and rub it look in there and lock it up. So when she come back, she go rub some in there. Cause she has something to go back in the water and for use something to cover it.
Yeah.
Until she come.
Chicken at the kitchen and smoke up there.
I must in.
Alright guys, so yeah, so we're gonna head out, you know. Just remember to always sink a Bible on your foot.
Yeah.
You know, you keep your foot more cleaner than that, man. Why you so dirty, you know? We're the time now of the day. You should have better clothes now.
That's something me I do.
Something weird I do.
No, like cleaning. Like wipe out the kitchen. Cause my mother give me everything to do today. She said when she come for sweep out. Not sweep out, what do you mean?
She go and farm up. So you plant up on the edge also too?
Yeah, I put banana down.
Oh. For all the land as well?
Yeah. Just plant But I want them to slide away and I'm going to eat up down there. The plant will go eat up. Just to better just fall like it.
Yeah.
More pressure to that slide away, you know, it's slide away, go eat up the same.
Okay.
So I'm not move.
You can steer right there, so. Yeah. The wall of your saw slip off, you know.
If I plant up now to slide aside, you know.
Okay.
So they put this for board. For the tour, the board and slide aside. Then you see the look what board, a beer board, you see move for yourself.
Yeah.
That's how the ply, when they put this, when they put this apply. They apply the turnover.
Okay.
So to the dirt upon the ply, continue and slide away.
Oh, that's why. I eat food. Yeah. Alright, charges. So tomorrow then?
Yeah.
Yeah? Them time then?
Come move tomorrow since I'm gonna do it.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Left. So who will come tomorrow? When name again? Or uncle?
Kina may help you cook.
Guys, Pineda drop again.
You see, Kina, what we tell him?
Hey guys, we not lie. We missed that drop there. Boom, you see it?
Look at Kina, tell me, cause
Yo, you see as in drop? Nana, now you say Nana?
I want that card.
No, I tell
that's your home.
Hey, as in drop, Nana say, I thought you're going to tie pants where you have a... So the man drop us out as the camera off. You see you move. Nana said 30 grand the tight pants where you have on. Yeah, you're lucky the camera. Imagine me just turn off the camera and walk down the hill, you know. I mean, you're blue. Nana said 30 grand the tight pants where you have on. No, sir. I think the grad here from dropping. Pants still a drop. Oh, Nana.
Look at you, Nana, see that one or two.
Nana said the tight pants where you have on. Jaja. The Pinedo pants in. Pinedo.
Rabbit of Pinedo.
No, sir. Guys.
You either want tight shirt than a tight pants. Look at this tight.
Pull them general.
That not tight. No. You know, tell me if this not tight. Why you have too much time? Then tell us to wash off your son. Go see a wash off.
Not tight.
I'll burn this.
It was I'll burn out, man.
So you never make things happen to you.
Oh, guys, we not like 30 grand. We missed that one day.
Everywhere.
Just turn off the camera and 30 grand drop. And as him drop, Nana said to you, 30 grand of your tight pants where you have on. So guys, so you know the thing going on, so we can head back down. And everything goes left side like
My mother did them. Mother
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.